Back everybody, as we look live from the Austonian camera out there, temperature is pretty hot on this Monday, but we are just days from the beginning of summer and we have already seen and been experiencing the earliest sunrises of the year. Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin is here to explain when our mornings will actually slowly start getting a bit darker.
Well, actually, that technically starts tomorrow. There's a difference between the earliest sunrises of the year, the latest sunsets. Those happen on either side of the summer solstice. And then right in the middle there is the solstice, which is the longest day of the year, of course. The earliest sunrises that we get the whole year, 6:28 in the morning. And we've been living that for the last week and a half. That started June 5th, and it continues through today. Today is the last day of a 6:28 a.m. sunrise, our earliest of the year. So beginning tomorrow, instead of 6:28 in the morning, it becomes 6:29 in the morning. So a very gradual darkening of our early mornings, but still it starts tomorrow as our morning sunrises get a little bit later. In fact, the next time our sunrise is at 7 o'clock or later, it's not until August 18th. So it does take some time before us to see notably darker mornings. And then they'll keep getting darker and darker and darker until the end of daylight saving time, November 2nd, when we switch our clocks back 1 hour, and then we go back to having a sunrise before 7 a.m. again until November 19th, when we have another 7 o'clock sunrise, our first 7 a.m. sunrise after the ending of daylight saving time. Now, of course, at the same time, our days continue to get longer. The longest day of the year is the first day of summer, the summer solstice. We're very close to that now. Today, we have 14 hours of 5 minutes of daylight. We'll be adding a few seconds each day until we get to Friday, the first day of summer, our longest day of the year, with 14 hours and 6 minutes of daylight, a full 1 minute longer than today's day length. And then, beginning after Friday, our days will slowly at first get shorter and shorter until our very shortest day of the year coming the beginning of winter in late December, where we have 10 hours and 11 minutes of daylight. Still plenty of daylight to enjoy, though, here today from our Austonian weather camera. Sunshine, scattered clouds, plenty of heat to be had as well. Of course, we had some rounds of showers and storms yesterday. Those are unlikely to repeat themselves here today, thanks to the storminess closer to Houston, unlikely to develop even any isolated sea breeze showers today. Our rain and storm chances into the evening are less than 10%. Okay, they're not zero, but it's very low here today. Generally speaking, we'll go from a mostly sunny afternoon to a mostly clear evening, but overnight some areas of low clouds will come in by morning. These will be very brief, and then we're back to sunshine again. So mostly sunny skies on the way here for your Tuesday. Should actually be our hottest day of the week here tomorrow. And then some areas of low clouds come in late Tuesday night and into Wednesday. You can see where the temperatures are now at 95. I think when all is said and done here today, our official high of the day will end up around 96. And we think tomorrow is another degree warmer at 97. So 96 for the high today is what we're estimating. We'll be down in the mid 70s to begin your day tomorrow, and then 97 in the afternoon. This is not far off from normal. So while mid to upper 90s, you can call that hot wherever you are. Here in Central Texas for this time of year, it's actually fairly typical. Now, what's making it feel hotter than that, though, is the humidity. Dew points have been high for two reasons. First, we've got the south flow off the Gulf pumping in more moisture. Plus, we've also had a lot of rain lately. That moisture in the soil evaporates into the air with all these sunny days, and that just adds more humidity into the air, making it feel more hot and certainly plenty of humidity over the coming days. We'll mostly be in the very humid category over the next 5 days, which means dew points between about 70 and 75. So your forecast then tonight, mostly clear this evening, some areas of low clouds by morning, overnight lows of 74. Those early morning clouds quickly give way to a mostly sunny day, a south breeze 10 to 15 miles per hour, and a high of 97 in the afternoon. Now, for those of you wondering about rain chances, there are some opportunities for wet weather ahead, but not nearly to the extent of the rain and storms that we've had over the last few weeks. Just low 10% rain and storm chances Thursday and Friday as the storm system tries to come in off the Gulf and focuses a lot of its rain on South Texas. But those rain chances bubble up a little bit more Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but still at just 20%. It's not the type of wet weather opportunities that you cancel plans for. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast then. So we're mostly sunny Tuesday and Wednesday, middle and upper 90s. For Juneteenth on Thursday, more of a mix of early morning clouds giving way to sunshine, 95 and a 10% rain chance. There's the beginning of summer, Friday, 94. And then we're at 94 on Saturday, 93 Sunday and Monday with those low 20% rain chances. And the extended outlook for wet weather still favors wetter than normal weather, although only leaning in that direction, not a high confidence forecast beyond the 7-day. Certainly leaning wetter than normal is better than leaning drier than normal, Will.
We will certainly take that. All right. Thanks so much, Nick.